Today, we're going to make some delicious Southern Chewy bread. You're going to need some butter, some brown sugar, some eggs, some self-rising flour, a little bit of vanilla, and some chopped pecans. Get out your big old bowl. Now melt a half a stick of butter in the microwave. Now pour the butter into the big old bowl. Add 2 cups of brown sugar and start mixing that up. The next step is to beat up a couple of eggs, preferably large. Now add your eggs to the mix and mix them up. Now add in a cup of pecans and fold it all together. My camera screwed up, so I didn't get a chance to show you the adding a cup of self-rising flour, but that's pretty important. Now grease up an 8x8 baking dish. I'm not sure the dimensions really matter that much, but you probably know what to do. Pour your mixture in the casserole. This should give you some idea of what it looks like. Bake 35 to 45 minutes at 325 degrees. Just make sure it's golden brown. For some oddball reason, everybody's oven is different. Okay, this turned out fantastic. I mean, it is really good. I would highly recommend you try this. It's more, it's almost like a warm cookie. I know the title of it is bread, but it's not bread-like at all. It's like a warm, soft brownie slash cookie. Oh my God. It's fantastic. I could just eat the heck out of this stuff. So give it a try. It's really, man, it's really good. Wasn't too terribly difficult. I halved the recipe. I'm going to put down the full recipe in the description. Because that's probably what you'd like if it was for like a holiday or a special occasion. But this is really good. I mean, you can leave the nuts out. You don't want the nuts in there. I just love pecans. But totally awesome dish. So if you liked this dish, you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button for me. It's supposed to do something in the algorithm, so that's good. But mostly I'd like you to subscribe and comment. Tell me what you think. Any dishes that you want to see me try. I'm going to keep doing these. This one was actually a friend of my mother's who did this one. So all of these are southern recipes. I could do a live thing. How would you guys like to see a live thing done? I think that would be kind of fun to do. I'll do some chopping so I'll actually look like a professional chef. Although my knife skills are... there might be blood, as the movie says. Anyway, if you like this recipe, push the like button. If you like this video, push the like button. If you didn't like this video, push the like button anyway. And listen, comment and tell me how the end part I did with this EOS I'm running the new, the brand is a newer 25mm f1.8. I think it's a pretty cool looking lens. Let me know how you like that too. Well, until the next time and the next recipe, this is Dr. J. Over and out.